Good morning. This is Embedded System Laboratory DET 3109 for practicals and experiments. Let us check the uh, Keil Macrovision software package. Its identification on the website, searching on the website, its website and location of download, and how to download it, and after downloading how to install it in this particular session. Let us check the website for the Keil Macrovision. Keil Embedded Development Tool for ARM Cortex Core, and same is there for 8051. You can click here on the download for Keil Max C compiler, macro assemblers, or you can go to www.keil.com. So this is the website for that, www.keil.com. All the information is there. You can read it. Now go through the website. If you go here in the download section, there will be the product download and file downloads. You can go in the product download for the Keil package download, and in file download we are having this again files. For example, Keil 251 development tools are there, Macrovision general files, applications are there, utilities are there. Okay, so we'll go for product downloads. So to download the software, so let us check for the product of 8051 here. So this is for ARM Cortex ARM devices. This is for 80251 devices, and this is for 166 C166X, C166X, C2000 MCUs, and this one is C51 is for 8051 devices. Okay, version is 9.60A, May 2019 version is there. So I will click on this particular link so that it will show the hardware requirements. So I will click on the hardware requirements. So it shows the system requirements for this MDK. Okay, so this is the hardware requirements, the software requirements, supporting operating systems, recommended hardwares. Okay, details are there, and this is for other C251 and 166 and C51 development kits also. So this is hardware requirement. These are the softwares, operating system supported. Okay, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 10 Pro, all these operating systems will do. So again we'll go for the download and C51 window. Here it is given the instructions to install the C51 software. Right click on this C51V960A. So this is the file, it is the link, and save it to your computer. Right click and save it to your computer. If you left double click also, then also it will download and get saved into our download folder. Okay, then PDF file may be opened with Acrobat readers, and zip file may be opened with the pkzip and winzip files. So these are the instructions given. So let us check by downloading it. So I will click here on the, as the instruction, we can right click it and we can download, or in a particular folder I will click, it will get downloaded in the download folder. So download has started. C51 or V960A.exe, I think it is 93.9 MB, and it is now internet is quite fast, so it is taking some 30-40 seconds, 35 seconds remaining, and out of 93 MB, 40 MB is already downloaded. So around 25 seconds are left, or 30 seconds are left, depending on the fluctuation in the internet speed. It fluctuates. So out of 93.9 MB, almost 70 MB is downloaded. So 13-15 seconds are remaining. So C51V960A.exe. So this file is getting downloaded, and we see here it is download is completed. Okay, download is complete now, and we can click here for showing the folder. If I click here to show the folder, then it will go into that folder. So it is gone into the folder. Okay, so it is C51 v96.exe. So look at your class attendance are there here, isn't it? Class list 2021.html. Okay, please be attentive in the class. So all the record of your attendance is regularly updated, and it is available online. Class list, today is also, yesterday lecture, today lecture, all these available with me. So please be attentive in the classes. Now let us double click this file which is downloaded, which is C51v960a.exe, so that it will start installation. I double click it. So it will ask whether you want to allow this app to make changes in your device. I will say yes. Okay. So this setup program installs Keil C51 version 960.a. Okay, this is the setup. Okay, so this is the release information. Welcome Keil Microvision. Release is 5/2019, May 2019. And this setup program installs Keil C51 version 9.60a. This setup program may be used to update the previous product installation. So if I have already installed Microvision, then previous installation is there, then we have to copy the backup files, otherwise it will overwrite it. And as I am not having any product this already installed package, so I will not have any backup copy. So it is recommended that you exit the window program before continuing the setup. Okay, so follow the instructions to complete. I will click the next. So these are the different license agreement details. Okay, so you have to go through it and then click here, I agree to all the terms and preceding license agreement. Okay, I click here for this license and then click to the next. Now this installation package has created the destination folder C:\\Keil_v5. Okay, now select the folder where setup will install the files. So it is already created by default. It is creating into the C folder, C directory, because in C directory the operating system is there. If we want any other folder, that to install this to this folder, otherwise press next, and for installing in this folder, otherwise install to different folder, then press browse button. So this is the browse button, and new folder you can create here, anywhere you can create. Okay, new folder. Now I cancel this browse button clicking, because I want to install in the same this folder C colon backslash scale underscore v5 because this is the default created folder by the software, and I will click the next. If we want another folder, we can go for the browse and we can create any other location. Now I am using the same location detected by the software, so I will click next. I will fill here the name, first name, then last name, then my email ID, and then click next, and it will start installation. Now it is completed the installation, and MicroVision setup has prompted all the requested operations successfully. Okay, now there are three ticks are there. First tick is to show the release note. Second tick is retain current MicroVision configuration. Third tick, add the example project to the recently used project list. So retain the current MicroVision configuration is because already I was installed once the MicroVision, so it will retain the same configuration. If first time anybody is installing, this tick will not come. Only this first and last tick will come. So show release notes. If you want, you can remove that also, or you can keep this as a also. Add the example project to recently use the project list. You can use it for adding the example projects. Example projects will be added here, so you will get the ready-made example projects, isn't it? So keep this tick, add the example projects, and then I will click the finish. So I will get this release notes. So release notes are pop. This shows the location C colon KL underscore v5. This is in our system hard disk. So this particular system hard disk, C directory, it is in the C directory KL5 folder, C51 folder, HLP help folder, release notes.html. Okay. So there are example programs, there are peripheral simulations. Okay, so example program is there, so I will click the example program, it will go to example program. Okay, so here example program is there. Example program include the C51 example. So in folder C51 there is a folder of example, and so in that folder example programs are there. So again, if we check the peripheral simulation, again the peripheral simulation, the MicroVision debugger provides the complete simulation for the CPU and on-chip peripherals. Most embedded devices, the discover which the peripheral of device are supported. The MicroVision select the simulation peripherals item from the help menu. You may also use the web-based device database. So on the internet it is there, and here in the complete simulation is clicked, it will give the simulation also. So all the details are available. This if you click the websites, details of all the simulations are available. Okay, so this is MicroVision sorry, MicroVision IDE. IDE means integrated development environment. So MicroVision project manager and runtime environment is available, where the project is there, project target is there, then manage runtime environment, configure wizard, everything is there, and details of all this is written. The functions are written, code completion is written here, then function parameters are written, dynamic syntax checking is written, everything is provided as a support in the help. Okay, so home MDK MicroVision IDE. So details of all this is available. Everything is available on the website. You just go through it and you will get this. And this file is there in this folder. C. I will go to C drive. Okay. So in C drive there is a KL underscore v5 folder is there. In that there is a C51 folder is there. In that C51 folder there is example folder as well as HLP folder is there. So in help folder it is available as a release node.html htm release node.htm. So yes, release node, and this is now I have clicked and it is popped up. Okay, so in this way it is in the HPL. In the example also, in the example folder, many examples are there. You can check here in C drive KEIL_v5 in that C51 folder, in that examples folder, many examples are there. ASM benchmarks, Blinky. So check, this is the example. Then code banking, then hello example is there. Okay, hello.c you can find. Okay, so many examples are there. You can open these examples for study purpose afterwards. Okay, of this we are having the shortcut here, KEL Macrovision. If I double click this shortcut, ARM KEL Macrovision 5 will be opened, and this will open the IDE software. Okay, in this software we can write the different codes and we can execute those codes. Okay, here presently the hello program project is shown. So in hello project, if I click the hello.c, it will show the file program of hello. Okay, so presently till this will stop, and in next video we'll check how to use this software. Okay, thank you.